The controversy surrounding the proposed takeover of the operations of the Jomo Kenyatta International Airport by the national carrier Kenya Airways has taken a new twist after Deputy President William Ruto asked the National Assembly to back off. Victor Kiprop reports on the latest developments around the controversial deal to salvage Kenya's ailing national carrier.
After weeks of hot debate over the cost, implication and even the people behind the controversial bid to hand over Kenya's main airport JKIA to Kenya Airways, Deputy President William Ruto has finally waded into the murky waters, asking the country's legislative arm to stop frustrating the deal.
When we structure a mechanism to ensure that we have a win-win situation to salvage a very important strategic institution like Kenya Airways, our legislature come in between and make the whole situation toxic and tell us, you want to sell this institution, you want to do this. Nothing has happened. The cabinet has just approved for a transaction to be put together so that we can find a befitting mechanism that will make sure that Kenya Airways survives.
The comments by Ruto, the highest-ranking state officer to comment on the issue so far, comes even as the deal attracts confusion over who between the Transport Committee and the Public Investments Committee, PIC, is mandated to probe the deal. PIC, which has already recommended a suspension of the deal, says the annual concession fees that will be paid by KQ to KAA will not cover the operational costs of the country's remaining airports.
Our intention is very, very clear that due processes have to be followed. If that is done, there's really nothing wrong. There's no one who is against any form of policy that will be good.
Unlike its fully state-owned peers, including Qatar Airways, Ethiopian Airlines, and even Rwanda, who have successfully implemented this model, the Kenyan government only has a 48.9% stake in national carrier Kenya Airways.
The Kenya Airports Workers Union has issued a strike warning demanding the removal of Kenya Airways chairman Michael Joseph and his KAA counterpart Isaac Awondo, as well as CEO Sebastian Mikosh of KQ and Johnny Anderson of KAA. Victor Kiprop, NTV Business.